What's up, everybody? Phil from the attic here with another opening unboxing shoe review for you guys. Get right into it. So I got two sneakers this time for today's video, and it is the Metallica anniversary. I believe it's their 30th anniversary. And it is a pair of Metallica slip-ons with some of Pushead's artwork on them. As you can see, it has this, it's got this nice metallic, shiny print on the shoe right there, as you can see. And it's on both shoes to spell out Metallica. My favorite thing about this collab is the Pushead artwork. They got the skull on there. And right there. You can see Pushead's signature right down there. And on the back, there's also that metallic print. And this is basically a basic pair of slip-ons. It doesn't have the extra comfy cush, which I'm not a fan of on the slip-ons, because generally when they have the comfy cush, your foot sits a lot higher in the shoe, and it's a lot harder to slip it on, because they didn't, at least for me, they don't alter this part of the shoe to fit better, because the slip-on you can easily slip your foot in. The other one, since the insole is higher up, it's harder to slide it. But this is the regular pair, which I'm happy about. Kind of surprised they gave just a regular box. I mean, for most of the other collabs and Metallica stuff, they had a special box. But yeah, my favorite thing about these is that they had the Pushead's artwork, and I think this is one of the best Metallica Vans to come out. I thought the last collab they had was kind of basic, and then the one before that with the Hammer Kill 'Em All, that one is also another good one with the pair of Sk8-His. But yeah, there's the regular gum sole, white midsole around, and just basically the artwork on the toe panel right there, and then the metallic on the back. And let's get into the other pair. As you could probably already guess, the other pair is a pair of Sk8-His. Another great pair. Has the same exact artwork. Also another basic Vans box. But yeah, it's a Sk8-Hi. Pushead's artwork on it. And instead of that metallic print on the toe box, you have it going around the midsole, which is pretty cool also. Goes all the way around. And then you got the same Metallica Pushead artwork on the sides. Both sides. And also a basic pair of Sk8-His, not the comfy cush or any of that. There's the Metallica print on the back for both of them right there, which they do have. But yeah, this basic pair of Sk8-His, nothing special, except the artwork, the collaboration. I mean, I wish it was a little better quality. The Suede feels pretty basic, like a basic pair of Vans you'd find in the Van store. Yeah, I wish it was a better quality, better box. And I know these are reselling already pretty high, from the 200 range. For some sizes are in the 200 range. But in my opinion, if I didn't get them for retail, I probably would not buy them for 200, just because the basic box, the materials are basic. I do like the slip-ons a little better, just because I'm a fan of slip-ons. I do like Sk8-His also, but I just like how the artwork is right on the toe for the slip-ons. I mean, some people like the Sk8-His better, but for me, the slip-ons was the better of the pack. But yeah, that's both of them right there. Yeah, let me know what you guys think, if you guys were able to get them. I know the website crashed, so a lot of people struggle to get them on the website. I know they started to do a maintenance on the website, But yeah, some people actually I read about were able to get them early because some people got the link and the link was leaked, and some people just got them before the release date. But eventually they cut that link and released it back on the release date, and the website crashed, was under maintenance, and then the next day they dropped it on the Metallica website, which also crashed for me. So it was a hard collab to get, but I mean, I guess it's a given now for any Metallica or popular band collab with Vans. Like the Foo Fighters 2 were really hard to get. I couldn't even get a pair myself, but I guess now, Pete, you have to be prepared for the next drops of any Vans collab with any band. And yeah, let me know if you guys got a pair, and which pair did you guys like better, the Sk8-His or the slip-ons? Like and subscribe. Thanks.